really begs the question, can we trust the Fed now? Are they gonna lose control of the markets? Do they have this under control? So I wanna pop up a few charts for you just to show you how a market nerd like me is thinking about the Fed. The Fed essentially just caused two of the biggest swings in the stock and crypto markets this year just from Powell's words. So the Fed came out on Wednesday, basically said that they'd hike rates by 50 basis points, biggest hike since 2000. And I want to just say, this is the Fed's new strategy here. We all talk about rate hikes, but the Fed's words may matter more than their actions here. I call it the megaphone strategy, essentially. Powell goes out, Fed speakers go out. They talk about what they're expecting for policy and markets react. We've all seen it this year. But it really begs the question, can we trust the Fed now? Are they going to lose control of the markets? Do they have this under control? And this is a chart of the Fed policy rate, more technically called the Fed funds rate, compared to what markets are pricing in for the Fed funds rate at the end of 2022. Do you notice the big gap between where the policy rate is and where markets expect it to go? That's the Fed in action. That's the Fed's credibility right there. You can say that markets don't trust the Fed, but the markets have baked in 10 to 11 rate hikes this year, mainly because of what Fed speakers have said. And believe it or not, this can be a good thing. In a way, this market is ready for anything the Fed throws at it. In terms of policy actions, I'll say that. Right now, the Fed's biggest challenge is to guide the economy out of decades high inflation without crashing the economy. This is the Fed's favorite gauge for measuring inflation. We're looking at the core prices here, the prices of goods that tend to be a little more stable when it comes to pricing. While it's a tall order, it seems like the Fed has kept things fairly under control, and it looks like core inflation is peaking. And as Powell said yesterday, and as we see in the data, consumer and business demand is still strong. And if inflation sure is rolling over, the Fed might be right here to be a little more gradual and coaxing the markets into a position where they could back off a bit.
Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you tomorrow.